how to make your TikTok account private on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch your account to private quickly and easily. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Let me show you. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to open the menu. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy. In the next step, tap on Private Account to open your privacy settings. From there, look for the Private Account toggle at the top of the screen and tap on it to turn it on. At this stage, a confirmation pop-up will appear, explaining what switching to private means. Tap on Confirm to proceed. Following this, your account is now private, and only your approved followers will be able to see your videos, likes, and other activity. Once done, anyone who wants to follow you will now need to send a follow request, which you can approve or decline. Here's an important note. Switching to a private account does not remove your existing followers. Everyone who was already following you before will still be able to see your content unless you manually remove them. And that's it. If this guide helped you make your TikTok account private, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.